Hello everybody, Leonardo from Gaspa Boat again. Today I will show you a 11-meter catamaran boat. This 11-meter catamaran the beam is 3.5 meter. It's almost 11.5 foot wide. From the front, you can see the twin house structure with a wave breaker in the middle, which will help to break the waves and make the steering very stable. Anchor will be fixed here, so it will save the space in front. No boat ruler, and this is make the boat neat and clean. Along the side hull, there's two aluminum fender to protect the side hull, and the scuppers for cabin and deck draining. More scuppers here. The whole hull is made of marine-grade aluminum, which is strong, easy to maintain, and the fuel cost is very low. And at the transom, this is the upgraded aluminum hatch. We put a bilge pump under each hull, so it can drain water and make the boat very safe. And this is the rear swimming ladder. Stainless steel, nice quality and finish, made by our own wood part factory. And easy to put inside. Make the rear side very neat and clean. And here is the Zinc knot, which protects the hull from the current of seawater. And here is the underwater light. This kind of underwater light you can choose to control by the mobile phone or by the controller. Now let me show you the structure of on deck. And here's a big bait tank with a bait board, with the washdown pump, with the water pump. It will take the water from the sea directly, and you can put your bait inside with a glass window. Very nice touch. And here is a rear folding seat. So enjoy the scenery, enjoy the sunbath. And here's the battery tank with the battery switch. Two switches here for two batteries for the motors, for the lights. And along the gunnel, we also put anti-slipping EVA floor, stainless steel rod holders and cup holders all along. And here's the fuel tank. Fuel tank, they've got big hatch, so we put the gas chute, so it's easier to open. And here is live fish tank. We haven't glued it, and we will glue the synthetic flow later. The live fish tank is very deep. You can put some, medium-sized fish inside. In the middle, here's a sailfish pattern. Very beautiful. This is customized by the customer. We made a side door for the customer. So when you go fishing for big tuna, for marlin, for sailfish, this is very convenient to pour the fish inside on the deck. And if you look ahead up, this is the folding rod holders, stainless steel, very perfect quality. And when you go under the roof, there are two deck lights for the shining in the evening, and also New Zealand Furan brand music speakers. There are two speakers outside and two inside. Of course, you can choose more. And this is the closet. This is for the bait storage with lock And this is the closet for storage. Put some, for example, life jacket or something inside. And here is the hand basin. So for example, after you process the fish, you can clean your hands here. And with the cover, nice clean. And here can be also seat and another outdoor seat. Backrest. And this is for the battery. This battery is for Paguro generator, marine grade generator. The battery is to power the generator. Here is the window, can be fully open for ventilation and cooling air to come in. Let me show you. With gas chute, it is very easy to open. Let's come inside and show you more inside the cabin. Here's the cooktop with very nice marble. It can be easy cleaned and very strong. Here is the sink and gas stove. And here's the Domitech marine grade fridge. With freezer and a cooler both inside. You can put some drinks, beer, wine, Coca-Cola, whatever you like. And drawers for storage. Closet for storage. And we'll come to the port side. This is a very nice sofa area with a folding table. And under the cushion, there's also the hatch for storage. Another hatch for storage. And we will put another cushion here, so this can be a simple bed because the table is foldable. So when you sit here, you enjoy food, enjoy beer with your friend. Not only the table, but the whole cabin, the wall, is decorated by marine grade wood. And the ceiling is soft decoration. It's a very marine grade synthetic leather and a sponge. Very nice touch. And here, as you can see, the ventilation for the air conditioner. This boat is installed with marine grade generator and air conditioner with ventilation holes for the air conditioner, both sides, inside the bedroom as well. Because we installed the generator and we also installed the two sockets on the kitchen area. So you can use microwave stove or other household appliances, such like a electric stove and other things. And the luxury decoration also used on the dashboard. And here's the luxury captain seat. And also we use this kind of seat for the co-pilot seat. It's very comfortable on rough sea. It's also with a safety belt to make sure the captain is safe. And here you can come to the dashboard. This stainless steel customized switch control board to control each accessories. The fuel tanks, the water tank, and so on. And this is the gauge for the Paguro generator. You know, Paguro is one of the best brands in the world for marine grade generator. And this is for the air conditioner. And this is a New Zealand Fusion music player. The compass. And also the customer will install, for example, the Marine display, radar, VHF, and so on. Here's the bedroom on this catamaran. It's very, as a catamaran, have a very good space inside. I think it can accommodate 2 or 3 people sleep inside. And here's the ventilation for air conditioners. And another one. Here's the for maintenance. And here's the big hatch. Oh, sorry, big hatch for ventilation. And the cabin light, hose light, you can open from here. Here's the opposite side of the dashboard. You can see the wiring is very neat and clean, and it's easy for you to do maintenance or check the wiring. Here is the stand-up headroom with a hand basin and a shower head. Also ventilation, and here's the electric toilet with also a good platform for storage for tissues and something. And here we also got aluminum hatch for draining water from the bathroom. The aluminum hatch is got very good quality. And now I finished the introduction with the 11-meter catamaran boat with a nice decoration, with the air conditioner, with the fridge and the cooking area. This can be a weapon for family, family pleasure time on the weekend, and it can be also a weapon for fishing offshore, with the side door, with the fish tank and the bait tank. All these make a multi-function boats. So stay tuned for more and keep introduce you more nice boat. Thank you.